Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time. I've been very busy. Thank you for staying subscribed. Thank you for watching my videos. So if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we talk about finance, investment, financial freedoms for Africans and Africans in diaspora. So today I'm going to be talking about how to make money in Afrobeat or music industry in general without having a talent. So this is the best time for you to be invested or get involved in Afrobeat. You know, we all know that Whiskey sold out 20,000 capacity 3 times in London. That is massive. So imagine 20,000 capacity 3 times. That is 60,000. That is 60,000 ticket sales. So imagine an average ticket sales of £50 times 60,000. That's a whooping £3 million. Wow, that is very, very huge. So if you're thinking what I'm thinking, then this is the best time for you to get invested or get interested in Afrobeat. Right. A lot of people ask me, how can we get involved or invested in Afrobeat? If I don't have the talent to make music, if I don't have the talent to sing or the talent to produce. But I say to them, there are loads of ways for you to get involved in Afrobeat or music industry in general without having a talent. So talent is a natural, as we all know, talent is a natural skills, a natural ability to produce or make music, and not everyone has that, including myself. All right. So today I'm going to be telling you what are the things that you can actually do for you to make money in Afrobeat or music industry in general. There are some things that you can actually do, being an entertainment lawyer, being a talent manager, or owning a studio. So those require some sort of expertise for you to be successful in those roles. So today I'm going to be approaching this as a side hustle. All right, let's get into this. So the first thing you can actually do is to create content around Afrobeat or music. You can create this content on YouTube, create a website, or as easy as creating a content on Instagram. All right. So if you create this content on YouTube, creating music content on YouTube, I believe almost everyone knows how YouTube monetization works. So you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So if you meet those requirements, then you can begin to make money from YouTube. But however, you need to be aware of copyright infringements. There are ways to do this. So I have someone that is already doing this. I'm going to put their link in the description box, to try to learn from them. Creating content on Afrobeat or music in general could be quite easy on Instagram, but you need a massive followership on Instagram for you to be able to monetize your content. So you can make money from sponsorship posts or event marketing on your Instagram handle if you have a big followership. So also creating music content on website, it's all about information. So if you have a massive traffic on your website, then your website can be used as an avenue for marketing, and that way you get paid. Now I know not everyone likes writing, not everyone is good with social media, but also you can actually make money by being hands-on. So the second way by which you can make money without talent is for you to be hands-on. So I know people in London. That make money by pasting posters across the streets of London. So these people, they work with event promoters, they work with artists to paste their posters across streets in London. And these people are making roughly around £100 to £500. These people are making roughly around £100 to £500 per gig. And if you're very good with your hands, you like to get physical, you can help in pasting posters across the streets in London, and you get cool cash. You can also help promoters or artists to distribute their event information across different clubs. I know people that do this in London. You can do that as well, and that way you're making money without necessarily having a music talent. So the third thing you can actually do is to be a promoter. I have tried this myself, and trust me, it is working. So being a promoter, you're hosting the event yourself. These can be very risky, but at the same time rewarding. So I'm going to share my experience with you. So next year Easter, I am bringing Brymo to London. So it's Brymo Live in London, Easter Sunday, April 17th, 2022. So there is a link in the description below. Check that link and please try to support me. It's gonna be amazing. So in 2019, I brought Brymo to London and it was an amazing event. So there's also a description below to check the videos from the last event. It was amazing. We did that at the London O2 Islington, and we're also doing for the next year Easter at the London O2 Islington as well. It is 800 capacity. So imagine yourself being the promoter. Imagine if you're selling ticket for £100. So that's gonna be £100 times 800. That is £80,000. That's a cool cash. That is, if you're able to sell the ticket for £100, though we're not selling our ticket for £100. So imagine you're able to sell the ticket for £100 and you're able to sell at 800 capacity. That is £80,000. That is cool cash, doing that for a side also. So that is what I want to share with you today. You don't need to have a music talent or music production talent for you to be able to make money from music industry or Afrobeat. So if you're able to do this, few points of mine, you can be making money. But don't forget, Brymo Live in London, April 17th, Easter Sunday. Please come out to support me, support your boy. I'm gonna be very happy to see you. I'll be selling this gear for £30. Come on, £30, you can afford that. Come have a good time. Brymo is actually a great performer, trust me, and I know you know that. So I'm gonna be expecting to see you there. Check out the link, check out the link in the description below and come out to support me. Thank you once again.